Hey, today, I'll show you how to speed up your Windows 10 PC for free and without installing any third-party software. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Power Options. Head over to the Start menu and search for Power Options. In the results, click on it to open the Control Panel Power Settings. By default, it's usually set to Balanced. Change it to High Performance. This ensures your system always runs at its best. Now close that window. Step 2. Disable unwanted startup programs. Right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see all the programs that start automatically when your PC boots up. If you see any programs that you don't use regularly, like Skype, OneDrive, etc., right-click and disable them. Just make sure not to disable anything by Microsoft Corporation or your antivirus software. Step 3. Defragment and optimize drives. Go to the Start menu again and search for Defragment and optimize drives. Click on it, choose your C drive or wherever Windows is installed, and hit Optimize. Let it finish and close the window once done. Step 4. Delete temporary files. Right-click the Windows icon and select Run. Now type in these one by one and delete everything inside the folders that pop up. Just select all files and press Delete. You might see a few files that can't be deleted. That's totally fine. Step 5. Clean up system memory. Open File Explorer. Right-click on your C drive and click Properties. Now click Disk Cleanup. And once the scan is done, click Clean up System Files. After the second scan, click OK. Then Delete Files. This will remove unnecessary files and free up space. Step 6. Reduce runtime services. Open the Run box again and type msconfig. Hit Enter and go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Very important. Now uncheck services you recognize and don't need running in the background. Click OK when done. Step 7. Visual Effects Optimization. This one can make a huge difference in performance, especially on older PCs. Search for System in the Start menu and open it. Click on Advanced System Settings on the left panel. In the new window, click the Settings button under Performance. Choose Adjust for best performance. This disables fancy animations and shadows. If you'd like, you can re-enable a few visuals like Show Shadows under mouse pointer if you prefer. Click Apply and OK. That's how you can boost your Windows 10 performance without spending a dime or installing any extra software. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, consider subscribing, and share it with someone who might need it. Peace out.